here are a few to have a look at. If we take sodium and want to react it with nitrogen, then if we do it by drawing, you would have sodium, one arm, nitrogen, 3 arms. Therefore, we would need another 2 sodiums to make it up to give us sodium nitride. If we do it by the valence crossover method, you can see straight away we're going to finish up with the same formula without all the drawing. Okay, make things a little bit more complicated. So we take magnesium and phosphorus. In this case, we got magnesium, which has got 2 arms. We have phosphorus, which has 3. Phosphorus still has 1 left over, so we need another magnesium. Magnesium still has 1 left over, so we need another phosphorus. So that leaves us 2 spare on the phosphorus. We can count it from there. Mg3, P2. If we do it by the valence crossover method, as we go here, valence magnesium is 2. Valence for phosphorus is in 3 because it's in group 5. Cross those over. Mg3P2. Not overly hard. You will also have to be able to work out formulas using complex ions, which are on page 8 in the data book, small table. These will always be given to you. So if it has to work out a chemical formula for ammonium or sulfate or sulfite or carbonate, you just look it up in there as far as the actual formula for that complex ion is concerned. All right? You do exactly the same idea. I'm not going to do the long-winded drawing, and just the valence crossover. So if we decided we wanted to look at calcium phosphate, right? We'd take calcium, we'd take the phosphate, we would put in their valence number, calcium being 2, phosphate being 3, and do the same, we would cross over. So the 3 comes down here, the 2 down here. So we're going to get calcium 3 and phosphate. But remember, we're treating the complex ion as you would do with a single element. So that stays together, and we've got 2 of them. Now to indicate this, that we've got 2 of the phosphates inside, we put the phosphate into brackets. That's telling me that I have 2 phosphate ions in there. If we do the same with aluminium sulfate, so got a valency of 2, valency of 3. We do the same again, we cross over, goes down to there, that goes down to there. We go aluminium 2, sulfate we have 3 of. To tell me we have 3 sulfates, we put that into brackets. This can also be used at the start of a formula as well. So if we have ammonium sulfate, we have ammonium, we have sulfate, put the valence numbers in again. Ammonium is 1, sulfate is 2. We cross the valences over. So we finish up with ammonium, and we've got 2 of them, sulfate. If there's only a single one, then we don't need to put in the number.